Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are about to implement AdMob reward interstitial ad inside our Compose project. We'll also be discussing about the core difference between AdMob rewarded ad and AdMob rewarded interstitial ad. So watch this video till end. And this is what it looks like. This is the top app bar, nothing's here, and this is a two button here. One is to load our ad, another is to show our ad. When you click load reward interstitial, it shows a toast message informing the ad is loaded, and when we click on show reward ad, this is the ad displayed here. So this is a reward interstitial ad. If you find this video useful, do hit the like button, and if you like Android related content useful, do subscribe to our channel. So first we need AdMob dependency here. So I have added this dependency in our version catalog file. This is the dependency, and the version I'm using is 23.2.0. After adding this dependency in our version catalog file, we need to add this in our app level Gradle file also. So I have added it here. And after this, we need some permissions. And here, this is it. This permission is when we plan to publish our app in Play Store, we need this permission here. And this internet permission for interacting with the internet. And this is 3 optimization here. This application ID you can get it from your AdMob dashboard, and this to our optimization for our ad. And also you can add this hardware accelerated here in our activity as well as in our application. This is it for our main Android manifest file, and after this we need to go to our main activity. So first I'll just explain the implementation, and then we'll go to our use case for our AdMob reward interstitial ad. So first I have created this screen. Here is nothing. Okay. So also I have created this AdMob reward interstitial ad class. So in this class, I have created a variable to store our ad here. And after this, okay. So this is the ad ID here. I have stored in the string XML here, and I've taken it this in our ad ID, and this is the ad request. We need this to request our ad from AdMob. I've stored it here. You can also pass it directly here. So okay, let me space. Okay. So this is I've requested reward interstitial.load and pass this context from here, and this ad ID and this ad request from here, and also I have created object to listen to the callback of our ad. When the ad is loaded, we get this section called, and when the ad fails to load, we get this section called. So when the ad is loaded, I stored this ad in this variable here I have created, and here we get this ad and store here, and also show a toast message here, the ad is loaded. And if for any reason if ad fails to load, we get this section gets called, and I have also displayed this toast message, the ad is failed to load. And there's another function, show reward ad. When this function is called, we call this reward interstitial ad dot show to display our ad on the screen. And when the ad is completely shown, I have displayed a toast message that reward interstitial ad shown. So this is it. And this is it for our AdMob reward interstitial class. This is the function of our class. There's two. Okay. And after that, let's go to our main activity. Yes, this is it. Okay, main screen. So this is the main activity, and also I have initialized this class here in our Compose in November function. And here's two button. I've showed you earlier this two button here. When we click on load ad, we call this function reward interstitial ad dot load reward interstitial ad and pass this activity here. I have taken this activity. This is how we take activity from in our Compose local context dot and cast it as activity and passed it here. And when we click on show reward ad, there's another function show reward interstitial ad, and this get called, and we get ad displayed here. And also this launch effect, I have initialized this AdMob here. So this ad is here, and this requires a context, so I have passed this context here also. As soon as this class, this compose get displayed, this section is called, and this function is also called. Okay, this is it. This is how we implement AdMob rewarded ad. So now coming to the use of AdMob reward interstitial ad. So as you know that this both are similar. This function can be done with AdMob reward ad also. So what is the main purpose, or the purpose this AdMob reward interstitial ad was created? So it was for our, like, let's show you another screen here. Let me run this again. Okay, so this is a top-up bar, nothing's here, and this is the use case. This reward ad, this is the main part I've tried to demonstrate. This is not like, there are other cases you can think of, but I have tried to create a demo here. So like, suppose in a game, when we complete a game, we get a pop-up message about a score or coins you have collected. There you can we can display this. You can use this reward interstitial ad. Suppose there's a long running task, the user is waiting for some task to complete, and after that something may happen or something. So I've created a demo, like there's a long running task, the task is running, and there you can show a pop-up message. You have, like, we don't need to opt in for our AdMob ad. As you can see, we don't have to click load ad. Means we want to see our ad, we don't have to do this. Just we have to show a pop-up message, and like this, just suppose game is completed and we get a message here, it gets executed itself. This is the main purpose of it, that we don't have to opt in for our ads. In case of AdMob reward ad, we have to click on show reward ad, and then we have means you have to display the ad. But in case of reward interstitial ad, we don't have to display our ad by clicking or something. It can display itself also. This is the main purpose of reward interstitial ad. And the other one, there are many differences between reward ad and reward interstitial ad. In case of earnings, so this is it. Like, you don't have to opt in for our reward interstitial ad, but in case of reward ad, you have to opt in for our reward ad. Like, suppose there's a running, you can just cancel it. If you cancel, nothing happens. In case of many games, you will see this this type of ad. Also, let me explain this screen. I haven't. Okay. So here, what I've done, I've done the same thing. I've taken this activity here and also initialized this our reward interstitial class here. And also I've created many tasks. I don't think this is relevant for this tutorial, but I've created this dialog. This dialog. I have created this dialog here. That when we click on this addition, and I have used this timer as produce state. I've created this timer. If this timer runs out and the user doesn't cancel, the ad gets displayed. If the user doesn't cancel, then the ad gets displayed. This is the main purpose this format was created. So this is it, friends. If you find this video helpful, do hit the like button, and see you again in another video. Thank you.